This video is about how to delete files and folders. So let's say that I've got a few files in my Finder, more specifically in my Documents folder. And let's say I don't need this file. So I've left-clicked on it, I've highlighted it. If I right-click on it, I can move to trash. And when I do, bam, it's gone. It moves down here to my trash can. Now I'm going to duplicate this file here just so I can illustrate. In fact, I'll duplicate it a few times. There we go. What if I want to delete more than one file? Well, I can select one. How about no, let's select all of these. I would hold down the Shift key and then left click on the last item in the list if I want to delete all those. So then I would right click anywhere in this area and then move to trash. Let's do that. But let's say that I realized, oops, I really didn't want to throw those away. So I'm going to have to go down to my trash and basically pull it out of the trash. So why don't we do that? Let's restore all of these. So I'm going to left click on the first file on the list if I want to restore all of them. And I'm going to hold down the Shift button and left click on the last file in the list that I want to restore. So then I'm going to right click and then I'm going to select Put Back. Now what's cool is that it puts it right back where I had those files before. And so that's a pretty easy feature, a pretty cool feature. So you can drag and drop these into the trash if you want. In fact, I'll do exactly what I did before. Hold down Shift, select the item, the last item, and then all of them get selected. And then you would left click and then quickly drag. So you do the left click and then drag, and then put your cursor right over the trash. Bam, there it is. Let's restore these again. Let's restore these. Put back. Now what if you're in an icon list? In an icon list. So I'm in a list view right now, but the view that I'm going to select is icons. So I've got all these duplicates of these files. If I want to select certain ones, I can select one, and then let's say I want to delete this one too. Well, I better hold down either a Shift or a Command key. Let's say Command. So I'll hold down Command, left click. How about this one? I want to delete that one too. So left click there. And then I can right click on any one of these and it'll move all three of those selected items to trash. Now, what happens if I want to select all four, or I guess, how many do I have? 6 copies of this file. If I want to do that, I'm going to have to either drag a window over this. When I say window, I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to move this over like this. I can go like this. I can left click in this area and then drag like that. And there you go. I've selected all of them. Right click on that and then move to trash. Let's say that I try using the Shift button like before. So I'll left click on this guy, hold down Shift, and let's take the last one right here. Oops. So by holding down Shift, there is no first and last file necessarily in this series, unlike how we had it in the list view. So it really is best when having the icon view. If you want to delete a whole bunch of files, just get them all grouped together and then just drag, highlight them that way. You can do this with photos and any kind of files. You can do them with folders too. I mean, what if I want to make a folder? I'm going to right click in this area, new folder, bam. And if I want all these guys to be put in that folder, I'll do that, and let's just left click, drag, drop, bam, there we go. Now let's go back. Can I delete the folder in the same manner? Let's right click on the folder, move to trash, bam. Let's see if it's in our trash. Yes, there it is, untitled folder. Oh, and there are all the files I didn't want anymore. So that's how you use the trash. And again, anytime that you feel like you want those files as long as you haven't deleted them from your trash, you can have access to them. So if I left click on this and I think, yeah, I want to put that back, bam, just put it back and it'll appear back in your documents or wherever it is that you originally saved them. Now, if you want to empty your trash, all you have to do is tap empty. Or if you want to select certain ones that you want to permanently delete, hold down Command or Shift as you select the two that you want to delete, if it's just two, and then right click, delete immediately. Don't click empty trash if you're not 100% sure whether you want to delete all these items permanently. So delete immediately, and it asks you, do you want to do this? Yes. Yes, I do. Or if I want to delete everything that's in my trash permanently, select empty. Am I sure I want to do this? Yes, I am. There you go. So you'll notice my trash can is now empty. And that's how you do that.